Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter the recovery mode on your MacBook Neo. So first of all, we're gonna have to shut down the MacBook. We can do this either by navigating to the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and selecting shutdown from the settings list, or by holding down the power button for about 10 seconds. Then select shutdown and wait until your laptop goes off fully. And once the screen of the laptop goes off, what you're gonna have to do next is press and hold the power button and just keep holding it. At some point, you will see continue holding for startup options, and then wait until it changes to loading startup options. At this point, you can release the power button and just wait for the recovery mode to load. Right now the recovery mode will not load. Instead, will be proposed to select an option to enter recovery, and to enter recovery, we're gonna have to switch to options and tap continue to proceed. And after that, once the recovery mode loads up, we're gonna have to select our main account. So just click on your account and proceed by clicking next, or if you want to revert this process and return back, select restart instead. Now if you select next, you're gonna have to enter your MacBook password and press enter, and here you'll have the recovery options for your device. Now you can either proceed with one of the available options, or if you want to return, just click on the Apple logo and then either select restart or shut down, depending on where you want to return to. So if I select restart, the laptop will reboot back to the macOS. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.